The civil authorities have issued a biological hazard warning for the following counties/areas: Sterling, Fort Morgan, Akron, Ray, and Holyoke. Effective from 2:34 p.m. until 3:34 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Reports have come in about an unknown type of vapor that has suddenly appeared within the cities mentioned. Those that have come into contact with this vapor have reported to have fallen into a catatonic state, followed soon after by total body paralysis. No fatalities have been reported as of yet, however, it is advised not to approach this vapor for any reason. Catatonia occurs after 10 minutes upon being exposed. There is currently no available treatment. Avoid this vapor at all costs. Call 911 should someone you know be exposed to this vapor. Remain tuned into all media outlets for updates as it becomes available. The civil authorities have issued a biological hazard warning for the following counties/areas: State of Colorado. Effective from 5:12 p.m. until 5:57 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and the Governor of the State of Colorado. The situation that had occurred within the cities of Sterling, Fort Morgan, Akron, Ray, and Holyoke has worsened. The vapor has expanded and is currently covering the entire state of Colorado. There are currently no newly discovered symptoms associated with the vapor. Due to the vapor enveloping the entirety of Colorado, it is advised to shelter in place to avoid inhaling this vapor. Close, lock, and seal all doors and windows. Seal all cracks with damp towels or tape. Turn off all air conditioning units and ventilation. Attempt to avoid inhaling this vapor that is in the vicinity of your location. Biologists and environmentalists are currently investigating the matter and will give a detailed report upon completion. Stay tuned for all updates on this dangerous situation. The civil authorities have issued an administrative message for the following counties/areas: State of Colorado. Effective from 8:12 p.m. until 10:27 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The cause of the mysterious vapor has been revealed to be originating from a cluster of clovers situated within the northeastern portion of Colorado. It is currently unknown how the clovers produce the vapor. However, efforts are currently undergoing to eliminate the source, as the vapor is causing other clusters to replicate this same effect. In addition, reports have come in about mysterious laughter that is heard while inside the vapor, alongside a wisp-like figure that is visible whilst inside. However, this cannot be confirmed at this time. Those that are currently affected by the vapor are said to be producing the same laughter that can be heard inside the vapor. No cure is currently available. However, the CDC is currently developing an antidote to reverse the effects. Remain tuned in for all updates. civil authorities have issued an administrative message for the following counties/areas, State of Colorado. Effective from 9:15 p.m. until 11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and the Governor of the State of Colorado. This is an all-clear message. The vapor has been cleared out of the state of Colorado, and a cure was developed and has been distributed, reversing the affected persons back to normal. The wisp-like figure has been spotted leaving the state, and has been dubbed Carcass. Carcass is a green wisp capable of fast travel and fast reflexes, allowing him to evade capture by authorities. Carcass does not pose a threat to civilians, and was soon revealed to be the cause of the sudden appearance of the vapor. If Carcass is spotted, do not attempt to apprehend him, as he poses no harm to those who view him. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system. Normal programming will now resume at this time.